Hey, love, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something I know can make or break your day. That is snacking. But not just any kind of snacking, we're talking about intentional snacking. Have you ever found yourself grabbing a snack on autopilot, maybe while you're working or in between tasks, and before you know it, the snack is gone, but you don't even feel satisfied? Or maybe you reach for something because you're feeling a slump in energy, hoping it'll give you a quick boost, but it just leaves you feeling even more sluggish? This is what we talked about previously in the last episode, which is the chaotic way of eating, especially our snacks. And in today's episode, we are going to help you rethink your approach to snacking so that it actually supports your productivity and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Let's get into it. Welcome to A Journey with Food, Body, and Life, the podcast for self led women ready to optimize their nourishment and heal their eating challenges without dieting or restriction to thrive in business and life. I'm Haneen, a certified eating psychology coach, here to help you fuel your body and mind for success. Join me each week for guidance on your journey to optimize your nourishment and skyrocket in your business and life. So, what do I mean by intentional snacking? It's all about being mindful and deliberate with your snacking choices. Instead of reaching for whatever's easiest or closest when you're feeling hungry or tired, intentional snacking means pausing, tuning into your body, and choosing something that's going to give you sustained energy and fuel your day. Intentional snacking is different from chaotic or mindless snacking, where you're eating just to fill a gap, whether it's time or stress or boredom. When you're snacking mindlessly, you often don't pay attention to what or how much you're eating, and it doesn't really satisfy you. In fact, it can leave you feeling more tired or out of control. But with intentional snacking, you're making a conscious choice based on what your body truly needs to perform at its best in your business and during your day. Now, let's talk about when to snack. Do you ever find yourself snacking just because it's convenient, or maybe because you feel a dip in energy and think a quick bite will help? There's nothing wrong with snacking, but timing is key to make sure it's serving you. A great time to snack is when you notice that your energy is starting to dip, but it's not quite time for a full meal yet. This is the key, you guys. If it's been a few hours since your last meal and you're starting to feel a bit sluggish, that's your body's way of telling you it needs a little boost. The goal here is to keep your energy steady so you can power through your tasks without hitting that midday or mid afternoon crash. On the flip side, snacking when you're bored or stressed or as a distraction can lead to mindless eating and leave you feeling more drained. So, here you would want to ask yourself, am I snacking because I'm actually hungry and need fuel? Or is it something else? That simple question can help you snack more intentionally. Now that you know when to snack, let's talk about what to snack on. Here's the thing. If you're reaching for snacks that are just quick fixes like sugary treats or chips, they might give you a short burst of energy, but they will leave you crashing soon after. What you want instead is a snack that balances carbs, proteins, and fats. This combination is going to keep your energy steady and help you stay focused and productive throughout the day. For example, instead of grabbing a candy bar or something sugary, try a handful of nuts with a piece of fruit. The nuts give you protein and fats, and the fruit provides quick and natural energy from carbs without the crash. Another great option could be Greek yogurt with some berries and or any other fruits and a drizzle of honey. Again, you're getting a good balance of nutrients that will sustain you longer. The key is to think ahead and have a few intentional snack options ready so you don't default to whatever's easiest in the moment. When you make snack choices with your energy in mind, you'll notice a huge difference in how you feel and how you perform in your business. So, my friend, if you've been feeling those energy crashes throughout the day, or you've been snacking without really thinking about it, I encourage you to start practicing intentional snacking. It's a simple shift, but it can make such a huge difference in keeping your energy steady and your productivity high. If you want more guidance on how to nourish yourself throughout your busy workdays, I'd love to help. DM me on Instagram or email me to book a free consult with me, and let's chat about how working one on one together can transform your approach to food and fuel your business success. All right, I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for next week's episode where we are going to discuss those late night snacking and why they happen after a long workday.